today, but we're going to go with it because the intro is not going to be very long. Hi to anybody who's returning, thank you for coming back, and for anyone who's new, hi, I'm Izzy. Today's video, we got another one of those recreate restaurant boxes at home gigs. This time we got it from Hakkasan, which is probably my favourite restaurant in the entire world. If for anyone who didn't watch my previous one, essentially what it is it's an at-home box, a bit like HelloFresh or something like that, but it's provided to you from the restaurant and it's recreating classic dishes that restaurant does. So last month we did it with Tattoo, this month we've done it with Hakkasan. They call it Occasions by Hakkasan. There's two different options that you could choose from. You could choose from the Occasions by Hakkasan signature dishes, where it was like a set menu, or you could do Occasions by Hakkasan where you picked your own. We picked our own, and we picked the classic dim sum platter, crispy duck salad, smoked beef ribs with jasmine tea, and then it automatically came with hakka noodles, stir-fry baby broccoli, and then the dessert that we chose was chocolate mandarin and tonka. So that's enough talking from me. There's loads to unpack. Literally, there was loads in the box, so we're going to get straight into the unpacking of it and straight into the cooking of it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a sec. So the Hakkasan order has arrived. Right, so now I've got in it, you've got this gorgeous Hakkasan box. You've got a little envelope and it's got my name on it, and inside is each dish and how to do it. You get chopsticks, you get your little steamer, and then you also get jasmine incense sticks too, and a little holder for them. I've got all the different bits that we need for the dim sum, and then I think underneath the steamer, yeah, is they're the dim sum. Crispy duck salad bits and the beef ribs with jasmine. Then you've got the stir-fried broccoli, and then, if I can get into it, the mandarin and tonka. Oh God, I can't get into that one. Yeah, chocolate mandarin and tonka. Okay, so first things first, I have to place the dim sum into the steamer. So it says to be super careful about how you do it because it's very delicate. I'm going to try and do them opposites because that's what they usually do. Pop the steamer on top like so, and time for 6 minutes. I'm just going to grab like so. So here we have the dim sum. And then we just need to take the soy sauce over and enjoy. So I'm now going to do the smoked beef ribs with jasmine tea. I've just sprayed my baking tray with a little bit of low-cal spray. Okay, in it goes. Make sure we get all this beautiful sauce out as well. So this is now ready, and I'm going to place that into the oven for 15 minutes like it says. Next up is the crispy duck, which is here. I'm going to get ready to pop that onto my baking tray like so, and then at the 10-minute mark I will make sure that I put that in. So in the meantime, whilst we're waiting for that, I'm heating up my wok so that I can create the other two dishes. So in terms of these, the hakka noodles is going to take 10 minutes and the stir-fried broccoli is going to take 4 minutes. So I need to concentrate on the 10-minute one. So once it's nice and hot, I'm going to add the mushrooms and fry for 2 minutes. I've just got the duck here and I'm ready to pop that into the oven. In that goes, and then in goes the mushrooms. Nice and easy. Stir the mushrooms round like so, and they're going to stir around for 2 minutes. And then we're going to add the noodles into that. And I can't believe just how easy this is to all make, because there's quite a few different dishes, but it's not at all complicated, which I love. Got the Hakka vegetables to give that a really good stir. So next up we've got our broccoli. Look how fresh the broccoli is, absolutely beautiful. Sprinkle on pine nuts and our seaweed. I wish that YouTube had smell-o-vision, because this is, with the food and the incense, I mean, you'll just give this one a stir, and I'll savour of that down there as well. Pour the dressing on, so I'm just going to put that nice and together, like so. So guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I really enjoy doing these. I love cooking them, I love eating them, obviously, and it's just made it really fun in lockdown, because I know I'm able to support my favourite restaurants in the hopes that when everything comes back again, you know, they'll be able to reopen. The dishes really do taste like the dishes do when you're in the restaurant. I loved the fact that you got the incense as well. Our whole house smelled like Hakkasan. It was just beautiful. And we listened to the playlist as well. It was lovely, really nice. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you like a particular restaurant and you see that they do an at-home box, I would definitely recommend trying it out, because the way they do it, they just make it so simple and easy. If you have tried one out, please pop it in the comments down below what you've tried out, because I'd love to try it. I'd definitely take on you guys' recommendations as well, and I like to interact with you guys too. If you haven't already, please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you can be a part of this community. And for now, guys, that is it from me, and I'll see you guys again really soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.